guys. All right, today I found a leaf. I found a pretty yellow leaf that I thought we could talk about today. But I also found a whole lot of other things, and I looked for some things that were bigger than the leaf and some things that were smaller than the leaf. So here is what I found. First thing I found was a glue stick, and when I lay it down next to my leaf, I can tell that my glue stick is smaller than my leaf. So it's smaller. Now, the next thing I found was this spoon, my spoon. If I lay it down next to my leaf, my spoon is bigger than my leaf. So it's bigger, and the glue stick is smaller. Now, the next little thing I found was this paper clip. My paper clip is much smaller than my leaf. My leaf is a lot bigger. So this is a smaller thing. And then I found my scissors. When I lay my scissors next to my leaf, I can tell that my scissors are bigger than my leaf, right? So they would go over here with the things that are bigger. And then the last thing that I found was I had my bottle of hand sanitizer that I keep on my desk, and I laid it down next to my leaf. And it is also bigger than my leaf. So I can say it's a bigger thing. Now, you can find a leaf at your house, either one that you already have from your artifacts, or you can go outside and find another one. You can find a leaf, and then I want you to show me something that is bigger than your leaf and something that is smaller than your leaf. And then you can record a video and show me your leaf and something bigger and something smaller. I can't wait to see what you find.